So when you give access to your computer to someone else, you can actually manage how much permission you actually want to give to them. Let's say, for example, if the other person is able to go ahead and request right here, you will get a dialog box just like this, and before you accept, you can actually see that you can control like how much other person can actually go ahead and control. So here you can see that by default they will be able to go ahead and access all of these. Like they will be able to hear the device's sound, control the device, restart the device, and so forth, as you can see. You can also go around and just enable the screen sharing mode, which disables everything right here and will only be able to see the screen of your computer. You can also go to full access, which actually gives you a lot of the control right here, just like this. But interact with windows that have restricted access is turned off by default. Or you can go for unattended access right here, just like this as well. You can even go ahead and manually enable and disable each of the permission that you want to give. For example, you can allow keyboard and mouse control. You can enable and disable it. You can allow to use file manager so that you can enable and disable the file management. You can disable everything else as you want as well. And then you can even go ahead and enable and disable each one of these categories, as you can see right here. Like you can disable restarting and then use file manager and so forth as you like, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and manage the connection permissions before you actually go ahead and let other users control your computer. Click on accept, and now the other user will be able to go ahead and control out your computer, as you can see right here. You can see the other user's mouse right here, which is green, so you have to let go for them to be able to control it out. So that is how you can go ahead and manage out connection permissions as needed inside of AnyDesk. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.